Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix CarX Street game stock loading at Initializing environment. Here you can see loading stage Initializing environment. If you have facing this error, so watch this video and solve your problems and play your games is smoothly. Firstly, go back your home screen and tap on your mobile settings and check if your internet connection is properly or worked or not. If your internet connection is not properly work, so just connect your Wi-Fi device and getting the strong connection. Second option here, you guys, if you have using iPhone, so just type on iPhone storage and search it CarX Street game and offload your CarX Street game. If you have using Android device, so just tap on app management, tap on app list, here you see loading, please wait, and search it CarX Street game. See, scroll down and search it CarX Street game, tap on storage usage and clear cache of CarX Street game, back one step and tap on data use detail and enable the background data, tap one step back and go back your home screen. After that, go back your home screen and tap on your Play Store and tap on search bar and search it CarX Street and check if your CarX Street game is update or not update. If your CarX Street game is not updated, so first will update your CarX Street game and play your CarX Street game is smoothly. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel for more other informative videos. Thanks for watching for my video.